Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infomobile mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Infomobile mobile guys phone restart, phone power off, phone power on, schedule time setting, how to set schedule time, phone power off, power on and restart. Friends, one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Infomobile mobile phone setting. After on phone setting, once you can see this type interface, so when scroll it and once click here Infinix mobile system setting. After on system settings, once you can see this type interface, once you can see schedule power on, power off and restart. So once click here and once you want to set, you want to schedule phone power off, power on and restart. So once click here, once you can see phone power off, power on, power off and restart. So friends, click here phone power off time first of all. So friends, we want to set phone power off time. So friends, select time, click here, select time friends, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 1 p.m, 2 p.m, 3 p.m, 4 p.m, 10 p.m. Okay, and friends repeat it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Friends, you want to use phone, so friends automatically your phone will power off. Right click, as you can see, after 10 hours and 16 minutes phone will automatic power off every day. Friends, every day you want to power on your phone, so guys select your time, click here friends, you can see after 10 p.m and guess I will on 5 a.m morning time, 5 a.m every day. Friends, you can see every day, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, select day. Friends, every day automatic your phone will, as you can see, after 17 minutes and 15 70 hours and 15 minutes phone will on automatic every day. And friends, you want to set guys phone restart time, so friends click here and friends you can set phone restart time. Friends, click here, select time, 1 p.m, 2 p.m, 3 p.m. Friends, I will use 5 p.m, 5 p.m, done. Repeated day only Wednesday, Sunday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Friends, every day you want to use phone restart time. Friends, you can see every day, right click. Friends, you can see after 5 hours and 15 and 14 minutes phone will off. Also that phone will restart automatic every day. And friends, you don't want to schedule, and friends you want to use only Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So we select time or day only Monday. Friends, you can see only Monday phone will restart. And friends, you can see only Monday. Friends, I will power on my phone, I will power off my phone. And friends, click here, only Monday we will use phone power off, restart, power on time. And friends, you don't want to schedule, you can turn off from here. So like that friends, we can schedule, we can use phone schedule power on, power off and restart time. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.